Wealth in 2026 isn't about working harder. It's about finding the arbitrage gap. While the world is mourning the death of the traditional 9 to 5, a new class of invisible millionaires is emerging. They don't have employees, they don't have offices, they have digital leverage. But here's the question. If an AI agent can perform 10 hours of expert-level analysis in 12 seconds for less than a penny, why would anyone pay a human for 40 hours a week? The answer is, they won't. But for those who understand the secret leverage ratio, the game is just beginning. What is the one skill that AI can never replace? We'll get to that in a moment. Arbitrage is a simple concept, buying low and selling high. But we aren't talking about physical goods or crypto. We are talking about the intelligence gap. Right now, there is a massive divide between the capabilities of frontier models like OpenAI's o1 or Claude 3, 5 Sonnet, and the average business owner's ability to use them. If you can bridge that tech to a company that still pays human prices for digital output, you own the entire margin. You are effectively buying compute for cents and selling specialized solutions for thousands. Are you still selling your time by the hour, or have you started selling systems? To win this game, you need a high-level tech stack. You aren't just prompting anymore, you are orchestrating. First, you use Perplexity Pro for deep, real-time market research that skips the fluff. Then, you deploy AutoGPT or Crew AI agents to handle the heavy lifting, whether that's scraping lead data or automating legal compliance audits. For high-end content, you're using Luma Dream Machine or Runway Gen 3 to create cinematic visuals that once cost $10,000 per minute to produce. Think about it. A single person using these tools can now run an agency that previously required 20 employees. The cost to produce is near zero. The value to the client is astronomical. That is the arbitrage. Now, for the secret I promised. The one skill that AI can never replace isn't coding or even prompt engineering. It is strategic curation. AI can generate, but it cannot choose. It doesn't understand the why. It doesn't have a pulse on human culture or the intuition to know when a market is about to pivot. In a world of infinite AI slop, the human who can curate the best output becomes the ultimate authority. This is the human premium. Are you positioning yourself as a worker who follows instructions, or an architect who provides the direction? The window for AI arbitrage is wide open right now, but it won't stay that way. As more people catch on, the margins will shrink. The early adopter profits are happening today. Your bank account in 2027 depends entirely on the skills you choose to stack right now. I've linked the 2026 AI Toolkit in the description to get you started. The strategy is in your hands. My only question left for you is, will you be the one being automated, or the one doing the automating?